Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Please remember the companion article to this video with all the complicated science is available on redcarpetcurls.com right now, so make sure to check that out and to subscribe so you don't miss anything new. Today's video is all about the ultimate guide to Olaplex number 3, also known as breakage insurance, and I'm about to show you why. This is what my hair looks like before Olaplex number 3 on wash day, and this is how it looks after. So much beautiful shine and definition thanks to this product working to strengthen and repair my hair from any damage it has sustained during my week, month, whatever it is. I also dye my hair, so it is just strengthening my hair so it can be at its best at all times. So let's start with something simple. What is Olaplex number 3? As I said, it's a weekly treatment that works to repair the disulfide bonds in your hair. That is why it's called hair breakage insurance, okay? This product works to strengthen your hair so that you don't get any more of those pesky split ends and breakage. Is Olaplex number 3 a conditioner or a pro-T treatment? Actually, it's neither. So Olaplex number 3, like I said, is a product that you put on your hair before you shampoo it. And the second ingredient on this label, I even zoomed in for you guys right here. The second ingredient is patented by this company to work to completely go right into your hair and work and repair those disulfide bonds, okay? If you don't know what disulfide bonds are, they are the strongest bonds in your hair that are responsible for the structure that can keep your curls curly, wavy, whatever texture they are, okay? So how do you use Olaplex number 3? I want to stress again, you are to put this on your hair before shampooing, okay? You shampoo this out of your hair. I like to start this treatment using my Q-Redo hair steamer just because I find that the steam helps to cut through any buildup I may have acquired during the week or the last 2 weeks, whatever. The steam also works to hydrate the hair, and it works to gently lift the scales on my cuticle so that the product can penetrate my hair much deeper once it's actually going in. I love the Q-Redo just because, as you can see, it easily detangles my hair just so that I can work the product in without having to worry about ripping any hair out because of tangles and stuff like that. Hydrate your hair and detangle within moments. I also direct the steam onto my scalp because, like I said, it hydrates the scalp and encourages hair growth. All done. Now I'm ready for the water. Please remember, Olaplex number 3 only works if your hair is saturated with water. The moment your hair dries, the product stops working, okay? That is why it's so important to completely soak your hair. Is Olaplex number 3 safe for all hair types? Yes, whether you dye your hair or not, processed or virgin, your hair always acquires damage. May that be through your environment, so the sun, the winds, the winter months, anything like that, or may that be getting highlights like I do. You are always acquiring damage. That's what leads to split ends and breakage, and that is why Olaplex number 3 is here. I like to really focus my product application by raking this product into my hair, really working it in to the strands, making sure I cover every single part. Really focus on the mid-lengths to the ends of your hair, okay? That is the hair that needs focus. Any hair that's still attached to your scalp, like the roots, it doesn't need the product because it's still considered healthy. Now the hair back there on the back of your scalp at the ends, that is the hair that is the oldest and the weakest because it's not connected to the scalp. This is the part of your hair that needs the treatment the most. You can do this treatment about 1 to 2 times a week, twice a week if your hair is really damaged and you're going through transition. If your hair is relatively healthy and you don't do much to damage it, like manipulation, putting it in high buns and stuff like that, putting it in protective styles, then you really don't need to do it more than once a week. So I'm really making sure to work it in because the canopy of my hair is where I get the most damage. Since the sun shines so heavily in New York during these summer months, that's where I get all my damage. So I'm making sure to really rake it through. Now I put this shower cap to insulate the heat that your scalp naturally produces, okay? I let this heat up, I leave it on for anywhere between 15 minutes to 90 minutes, and then I go on with my wash day. And here are the final results. As you can see, my hair is strengthened. That's why my hair looks so much curlier than the original before my wash day photo. I am so happy. The volume for my hair is gonna keep growing as days 2 and 3 keep on because I have very fine hair. But I want you to see that shine. I want you to see that curl and that definition. That is what Olaplex number 3 does for you. So make sure to check it out. And of course, make sure to get all the full science from the blog post available on redcarpetcurls.com.